Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Celebration Tidings, and this is a sweet little treat bag we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using the Celebration Tidings bundle, and we're going to be using the little spider web, the spider, and Happy Hunting. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' embossing pad. And I have a piece of pumpkin pie. And this is the second to the largest. Run that through. All right, so we have that. And while I have this out, we're going to go ahead and stamp our little spider. I have the Tuxedo Memento Black ink. All right, so just like that. Bring this back in. And I have my magnetic cutting plate, so let's use that. Look how cute and spooky. All right, let's get this out of the way. Now I have the mosaic gusseted bag, and then I have a piece of basic black, and this is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 1/2. And I'm just going to place it in here, and I am going to actually, let me take that out real quick. I'm going to run a piece of adhesive down here. Now, when I put this in, just going to fold that over so it will stand up just like that. All right, and then I'm going to put some candy in here. So just like that, I'm going to come in and we're going to fold that over. And I'm going to get my bone folder, just like that. All right, and now we'll do our stamping. And I think I'm going to put this down here and then Happy Hunting on the top. So this is a little bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and stamp it upside down. I like to make sure it's good and covered. All right, so just like that, I'm going to come in with my happy hunting, same way. This might need a little bit more ink on it. Alright, that looks pretty good. And I am just going to put adhesive on both sides. So just like that, and then I'm going to come in with a Stampin' Dimensional. Just like that, a quick and simple treat bag. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!